If you want to strengthen your relationship, you have to talk about everything, and that, of course, includes your finances. Financial disagreements could sometimes unfortunately lead to breakup, or so understanding how your partner handles your money is a great way to prevent it from happening. These are 5 money talks you should have with your partner. Number 1. Overall savings and retirement planning. The amount you save is directly affected by the long-range plan you should develop together. Unfortunately, too many couples fail to agree on and or execute the right strategy, as nearly one-third of couples regret not putting more money into savings and investments. Setting a budget doesn't automatically translate to no more fun. You can still buy things. You're simply creating a realistic plan to afford your lifestyle while regularly setting aside a specific amount for the future. Online retirement savings calculators such as the can help you get a target within a given time frame and determine how much you need to stock away and sock away to achieve that number. Number 2. Debt management. Every couple should know how much debt each partner is carrying. That means checking out each other's credit report. Then you'll know all about your partner's credit history, which is especially key if you plan to get married. You'll also have the opportunity to review and correct any errors in them. It's also critical to agree on how credit card bills are paid, to ensure that purchases don't exceed what you can afford. It's fine to use credit cards out of convenience, and it's even smart to take advantage of cash-back bonuses that various cards offer. But at the end of the month, a couple should pay off the balance. With a mortgage being the only valid exception, debt will destroy lives and marriages. Number 3. Purchases. 4 in 10 coupled Americans feel their partner spends more money than they do on non-household related purchases, according to a research, with $275 being the average threshold at which couples feel they should consult with each other before making a purchase. Each couple must establish a comfort level on buying stuff. You also need a sense of what kind of spender your partner is. Early adopters snatch up every latest greatest product that hits the market. The classic luggards must conduct research while waiting for the hefty debut price tag to head south. The two can enjoy a happy life together if rules are set and followed. Either way, borrowing to pay for non-essential stuff is foolish. That's why many people grow old only to realize they can't afford to retire and maintain their lifestyle. Number 4. Banking accounts. 2/3 of married couples keep joint checking accounts and half maintain joint savings account, according to a research. There's a right or wrong way to do it. Many couples have a joint account, and then each person also has an individual account. Number 5. Vacation spending. Couples can come into a relationship with very different ideas about what a vacation is, and much of this is driven by what kinds of vacations we enjoyed or missed out on as children. For some, nothing less than a glamorous cruise, an exotic island adventure, or a luxury trip to Europe will do. Others are happy just chilling out at the nearest beach or a lakeside rental. Then there are those who prefer to enjoy their own backyard. Open communication and agreed upon expectations regarding vacations are crucial. If you do have opposing ideas about what a vacation is, you can alternate every year. That is it for today. Tell us about your experience about money talks with your partner in the comments and subscribe for more videos. We will see you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.